Okay. And then we are going to apply just a little bit of a no wipe floating on the top. We already have a matte top coat on already. I can use my tweezer. Let me wipe this off. Drop my it's like really angled. This one from the kit I just got. Oh my god, it's so cool. It's so angled on that one. And then we have the pink bow. Super adorable. And I'm gonna put so you can get the white or the pink. I'm trying to get a pink one. I saw it and then just drop it. Oh, yeah. Maybe the white one. Yeah, it's so pretty. And I'm using a blue one on this side. Tuck it in right on the side. Oh, now I found my and then I'll just alternate with the pinks and the blue. Oh, I think I got it all. Good. Just move my thick condensed glue gels around a little bit so then it covers right here in the ribbons. Okay. Can you see it from my angle here? Here, I'm gonna wipe it quick. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm going from the different angle right here or this way, so then it's not crooked for my crystal before I am going to key it. And you can tell that it's really thick. The condensed glue gel, super triple thick. It will keep all of your 3D crystals stay in a nice place. So now I'm going to go ahead and key it for 60 seconds. Oh, do you want to see that on the video? Hold up.